Abraham acquires a new car. Delectable Nollywood actress, filmmaker, director, producer and entrepreneur Toyin Abraham just acquired a new Benz. This is happening a few weeks after the birth of her son, baby Ray. The video of her in her new car was first shared by her husband, Kolawole Ajayemi, congratulating her in his caption on Instagram. In the recent video, we can also hear her husband saying, "Zoom off" to test drive the car. Toyin Abraham, who also just gets started with her Uber company, seems to just be getting started with positive surprises. Fans are also seen on social media sharing the video and congratulating her on her new feat. Here is the short video of her in her new car.
Can you close this door? Daddy, really?
Zoom out.
Can you close this door? Daddy, really?
Zoom out.
For more of this juicy entertainment news, please log on to our website at www.broadwaytv.tv and on Instagram at official Broadway TV. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Broadway Africa.